all are here. Any doubts from the previous session? Any doubts?
Madam, just one question regarding this. When first time, like anybody companies implementing, so these fiscal years, they come preceded, like fiscal year and other information comes preceded?
No. It will come based on the meetings which you have, which is an explore phase. If you remember, we discussed explore phase.
Correct.
Phase after phase, we'll try to interact with the client team. Then this entire information is something which will gather from the client.
Okay, but my question is like while setting it up, like company codes and all those things, like we'll get preceded V3, K4 like this. These will be coming automatically, or somebody has to create the calendar from the scratch?
No, in the system already V3 will be defined. Okay.
Okay.
In system, few standards like whatever we are picking up, like field status variant, we picked up from the system. So those are already defined, okay? And not only that, Abbas, we have in S4HANA. In S4HANA, if you remember, we discussed about pre-configured steps, okay? And the standards as per the SAP standards, like for example, let us take a country like India, okay? When we are purchasing server for S4HANA from the team, S4HANA team, SAP team, Indian based company code already will be defined. Like for example, I'll show you just, I don't know whether which one is here, but still.
You mean to say the legislation information, the tax and all those things will be
Everything will be
automatically
defined. Yes, everything will be defined over here. Okay. Here, everything based on the company codes, it will be defined. Okay. So this is the 1710 is a company which is predefined by the, for the USD. Okay. US company 1710. Okay. So few are predefined here. YCOA chart of accounts. This is predefined one. We can just simply pick that up, and for, if it is a US company, whatever the in this company code, entire the details are there. So that we can pick it up. And for this particular configuration guide also they will provide us. So there we will analyze, okay, we have this company pre-configured with these steps. Let us follow. If my client says, no, we are not following this procedure, then we will analyze where is the gap, and based on that we'll try to implement the things. Now let's say for example taxes, we have done taxes topic, right? OBBG topic, we have just assigned it to our company code tax procedure. Now if you observe for India, I have picked up only TAX INN, which is default by the system. So how it is, how can I pick that up? It's only for tax INN is a procedure for India, which is already system providing us. Sorry. So I could able to pick that up. Blindly we can pick it up. Okay, we can pick it up blindly. That's it. No issues at all. So these are system providing SAP product. It's a complete product. It gives us a complete steps. We can either pick, we can either create. So when at the time of AP and AR, we discussed that we are going to create this procedure totally based on our requirement. At that time we'll create. Now if you go to OBC4, okay. Just for an idea purpose, this is a common doubt after a few sessions everyone will be facing. But do practice in such a way that think what we are doing, think twice, thrice. Steps, as I said, very easy to follow. Steps are very easy to follow. Okay, there are so many configuration guides we get there. But concept is important. So we picked up here 1000 or 1200 we can pick up, or 2000 we can pick up. Okay, so these are by default created. They have changed the name. If I see, if I can feel this, they have changed the name actually. Okay, but 1000 we copied as option. We did copy as. So in this 1000, what is there in this 1000? First check field status group. So already groups are available here. If you observe yesterday while creating GL accounts, these are the same groups I picked up. Okay, so here we can go to YB01, double click, and we can change the fields, suppress required entry. Now, if you are using whatever the system defining, this can be assigned by the different company codes, different companies. Here it's for practice purpose. So what we do, we'll copy as into our company code TM00, right? Your company code.
Correct.
We are using TM00. What we did, we copied TM00, or else what we could have done the same thing. Why double time copying? Even copying is not required, right? We copied and we went to field status group, double click and check. The same options you will get. Okay, but here we can make text required entry field. Set. Now without entering the text, it will not allow us to move further. Okay, so wherever GL in whatever the GL I'm picking YB01, without entering the text for that particular GL while entering, it will not allow me to move on. G005, bank account. So just try to observe what are the different fields we have. See, text was mandatory. So yesterday it was stopping us when I selected bank account. It was stopping me because text was mandatory field. And in the same way, I can see business area also. If it is mandatory, it will not allow me to move further. Let us make it mandatory. The required entry field. Same. So these are the system already gives us. Okay, we will copy few for most of the things we can standard customization we can pick from the product itself, SAP itself.
Should we copy and change?
Yes, we can copy and then change. So it will applicable to only our company code.
Okay, thanks.
Okay, so if I'm changing to 1000, that 1000 tomorrow someone will come and change it. So that same 1000 is copied to different company codes because they need the changes. They did text as a mandatory, but whereas for my company code text is not mandatory. Okay, or for my company code text is mandatory. Let's say for them it was not mandatory, they can remove it. So it will apply for my company code also. To avoid that kind of situations, what we are doing, we copy, we creating our own variant that we can make changes. So someone will not make a changes in our company code, right? So those are the standards. So a lot of practice needs for this to understand actually. Okay. So let's say, for example, yesterday we were discussing accounting. Let us go to a little bit more concept for today's session. Then we'll discuss. Wherever you want me to stop, please stop. Okay. Don't think that these sessions should complete. We need to hurry. Let us discuss little less topics if required, but still we'll discuss in full whatever we discussed. General ledger, document entry. We were about to post FB. I think we posted few documents here. 1 or 2 documents we posted. So let us go with F-02. Before going to this posting, I can see Karthik, Nikhil, new here.
Yes, I'm new here.
Okay. You are from commerce background?
Yes.
Okay. Both are friends?
No.
No.
Karthika. Okay, I'm sorry. Karthik, I thought Karthika. Okay. Karthika, you are from commerce, no?
Yes.
Okay. So for sure you will not be able to follow. But at least try what we are, because we are in a between. I'll just stop me if you have anything. If it is feasible, I'll answer your question. Okay.
Okay, sure. Thank you.